This is Sanjay from STEM professor from Aeronautical Engineering from Excel Engineering College. I am going to talk a topic finite value method for one-time expense statistic diffusion. Actually, the base equation of we are taking in the steady state diffusion equation is d by dx in gamma into d by dx plus s is equal to 0. Here, gamma is indicating of the source, s is indication of source, and gamma is indicating of the value which we are using, what we are using in the diffusion time. So actually, in this process we are going to take as a three-step process. One is the grid generation, decryptation, and solution of the equation. So generally we are going to first of all you know that what is finite value method. The finite value method we have to divide into number of 5 equal components in any dimension like 1D, 2D or 3D. That value, so how much the capable to fill the system that is called control value. So in the control value we are taken as a 1D. So in the first step is bit generation. So one dimension means only on x direction. So in the x direction we are taken x plus. So positive and negative. This is only based on the direction. So in this direction east and west direction. So next diagram is indicating that this is E is the east direction and W is the west direction. In between we are taking as the origin. So that is called P. So in the P we are dividing into number of 5 equal components. So in one I am taking the one control value. So one control value we have to take the value on x, E and x direction, x dash direction we are taken as a W. Here W is indicated as a west and E is indicated as east direction. So this is a grid generation. Why we need a grid generation? We can't calculate a general equation with respect to single component. So that component we are divided into number of components. So that number of components we are considered as a control value and control surface. So based on that we are calculating grid generation. And second one is discretization. So this discretization we are taken with a general equation that is called d by dx gamma into d pi by dt plus s is equal to 0. Here we are integrating this term with respect to the control value because this is only the value based. So integration of d by dx gamma into d pi by dt and dt plus integration of s into dv that is equal to 0. That term we have taken as a general term. This is the source term. That value is equal to 0. In this equation we are deriving. So integration and differentiation get cancelled. So based on this equation we are calculating with respect to the value. So gamma into d pi by dx. Here also gamma into d pi by dx. East, here west. Why? Because east is the positive direction and west w is the negative direction. So that negative indicating plus source term. So it cancels. So s into dv that is equal to 0. This equation is called as a B equation. So now we have to calculate the value of the E and W. So in that here W, so E is the object. So here P is there, D is there. So as in this diagram. So based on that we are taking W. So in value, so this is P. Sorry, this is P. So this is P plus E divided by 2. Here same P plus here generally E. So we are adding this one divided by 2. Here we are also you have to take this both and divide by 2. This is W. So this is W by 2. So in this equation, so in these two equations substitute in the equation. So we get gamma E A E pi E minus pi B divided by del x. Here minus gamma W A W pi A, that is into pi P minus pi W divided by del x plus source term we have written as s into del v that is equal to s u plus s p pi b that is equal to 0. Generally, this equation where the equation is present of this AE and AW we are writing this equation. So AW, what is the AW? Pi E AE. This is a general concept. So pi E AE into del x, pi W AW into del x. So AB is equal to AW plus AE minus SP. So generally this equation we are based on 3 steps we are calculated. One is grid generation, decryptation and solution of the equation. Based on this equation we are finding this equation. Thank you.